Hi, my name's Kevin. I manage Northside Trade Supplies at Brendale. I've been with the company now about 6 years. The product is very good that we sell. How long we've been supplying the Bossweld product? The company's been going roughly 30 years, and as far as I know, Bossweld has been the main product we sell. Bossweld products are a top range product. They are a #1 company in Australia. I have not had any problems with their products at all, and the products absolutely do a better job than what they tell us. The partnership between Bossweld and Northside Trade is, I can foresee it growing and growing and growing. We have no intention of stepping away from their product. In fact, we're looking forward to when they get the new products into the country. Bossweld in 3 words: excellent quality, excellent price, and fantastic backup service. Bossweld, you have done a very good service to us. The staff you have in the office down there are brilliant. Your representation is brilliant. Management are really good to deal with. Thank you very much for all the good service you've done over the years.